Just made it into Armenia. All my stuff got really dirty taking care of those pups because we were just camped on a little mud pit. I was feeding them tuna fish and they were just so young, they didn't know how to eat and not get all over themselves. So they got tuna all over them. I got tuna on my stuff, even though I was trying so hard not to. Because tuna is kind of like the glitter of food products. It just kind of gets everywhere. So far, these are what the roads are looking like here in Armenia. I talked to one guy who said it's going to be pretty muddy and gross and uphill and in snow. So looks like he might be right. This is really gnarly. You know, I'm gonna have to turn around. This is too grody. The mud's literally coming up to like my ankles when I'm pushing my bike through. There's like no way I can actually traverse these roads, and I heard it's like this for the majority of the country right now. So it's gonna rain for the next week. This just isn't possible. I have a microphone attachment being sent to a hostel down there in Yerevan, but I'm gonna try to cancel that and see if I can get them to send it to Azerbaijan. So yeah, this kind of sucks. I found a lady down the road who told me that there's a guest house and a restaurant and stuff over here that I could stay at. She said across the bridge, and there's like a 2-story guest house somewhere that I need to find. So I'm just gonna crash here and then just head back over the border tomorrow and just go to Azerbaijan. I guess I'm not napping anymore. All right, so I'm headed back to the Georgia border now in just a few minutes here. It kind of sucks that I wasn't able to check out Armenia. I talked to the lady that was running the guest house, and she even said that the roads are all bad up to Yerevan, so there's no way I can make that. Maybe some other trip I can check out Armenia. It was nice getting to that guest house though, because she let me blast all my gear with the hose and she washed all my stuff. So today's kind of an easy day. It's 120 kilometers, which is like 80 miles. However, it's mostly all downhill because my knee is still kind of recovering. It's not fully healed yet. So I'm just gonna take it easy, keep my RPMs high, and yeah, go nice and slow. Who's that? Where are you from?
Italy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cycled Italy a couple of years ago.
Yeah. Amazing.
Super beautiful, yeah.
You liked it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's one of my favorites, Italy. Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Not just saying that because you're Italian,
yeah.
I was coming from Armenia, but I did Georgia just a little bit to Armenia.
Same for me.
Yeah, but it sucked. Did you go through?
Yeah. I went from Turkey and down in Armenia and then back.
How did you go through Armenia? Because it was so muddy.
Well, yeah, I just cleaned my bicycle.
Yeah.
And I found a...
Yeah, I did that yesterday.
Yeah. First of all, I have this tire which is shit. Like I had flat tire every day.
Oh fuck, really?
Every day. So annoying. Yeah.
What happened to the frame?
Oh, a big crack.
Is that what this is? That's like a brace?
This is yeah. It's like
oh jeez.
But yeah, so I don't know exactly what
Shahin. Shahin?
Busal.
Busal? Nijar? Cool. И тебя?
Vadim.
Vadim?
Не знаю.
Yeah, let me get you a card. Cool. Well, I'm an idiot. I just got to the Azerbaijan border. It's right there. And I could have sworn last time I checked, which was last night, it still said I didn't need a visa in Azerbaijan for 30 days, but the guy wouldn't let me in without a visa. So that kind of sucks, but there's a hotel up here that I'm gonna, I guess, stay at. I'd much rather camp, but my tent still isn't dry. It hasn't been dry for a couple days. So I don't want it to like build up any mold or anything. It really needs to dry soon. So just gonna check this out, I guess. Post up for a day until my visa goes through, and then head to Azerbaijan. So that's fine. Honestly, I don't want to push my knee too much anyways, and I got a ton of video to edit, so that's cool. Definitely not staying another night here because this place is a total ripoff. Armenia can't ship to Azerbaijan because they're in conflict right now. And guess where I'm going now? Just a little town called Tbilisi, Georgia.
Тебе не нужно, Сади.